Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to add tags in Notion using the latest 2026 method. Click the plus button in the table header to add a new property, which opens a property type menu. Select Multi-Select from the menu and a new Multi-Select column appears in your table. Click on the Multi-Select header to open the property menu, then type Tags into the property name field to rename it. Click on the Tags cell in the first row to open the Tags selector menu. Type Urgent into the search box and click Create Urgent to add your first tags. The Tags selector stays open, so type Design and click Create Design to add a second tag to the same cell. Click outside the cell to close the selector, and you'll see both tags displayed in that row. To use an existing tags, click on the Tags cell in another row to open the selector again. Type Design into the search box, and this time you'll see the existing design tags appear in the menu. Click on Design to select it, and the tags is added to this row as well. You can add as many tags as you need to a single cell by typing and creating them one after another while the selector is open. To change a tag's color, hover over it in any cell and click the three dots that appear. If you want to remove a tag from a cell, click the cell to open the selector and then click the X next to the tag you want to remove. Tags work across your entire database, so once you've created a tag in one row, it's available to use in any other row without having to create it again. So that's tags in Notion, quick and flexible for organizing your data. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.